Hi friends, last week, we worked on making a 10 for our addition. And one of the ways that we did it was we said, I have 16 and I want to add 5. Well, to make a 10, how much more do I need? 6 plus what will make a 10? That's 4. So I've taken the 4 out of this 5 and I have 1 left. And now I need to solve it. I have one 10 here. Here's my second 10. And then this is how many ones I have left over. Pretty good, right? We're familiar with that concept. So just like with addition, subtraction is just as important to figure out how we make a 10, because it's going to get us to the next step of subtraction. Well, what I need to do is I need to solve a problem. And I have the problem of what is 12 minus 8? 12 minus 8. Well, I'm going to be subtracting 8 from a 12. And if I don't know from related facts maybe, 8 plus what equals 12, I needed to make a 10. Because once I make a 10, it's going to make it a lot easier for me. We're going to use a 10 frame here because it's going to give us a visual. It's going to help us understand and get really a good foundation for our understanding so we can do that more difficult math that we want to do. So, okay, 12 minus 8. Well, I'm going to start with that 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We know that subtraction and addition are related, right? And so I know that whatever I'm adding to this 8 will equal 12 because we know that it's related. So I need to figure out what am I adding to 8 to get to 12? Well, first of all, how many do I need to add to get a 10? Here's my 8. How many more need to be there to get 10? 2. 1, 2. Well, now that I have 10, this is taking care of this number right here. There's my 10 that I've already got. How many more ones do I have? Ah, you're right. I have 2 more ones. 1, 2. How many x's are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And I did that by making a 10. Now let's check and make sure. 12 minus 8 equals 4. Let's do the reverse. 4 plus 8 equals 12 because we know related addition and subtraction. Let's try another one because we were trying to get this concrete understanding of making a 10 to be able to subtract. Because we did a lot of that, and a lot of it's probably coming like this now as to how to make a 10. How about we do this one? Let's say 16. 16 minus 7 equals what? Okay, so we know 7 plus something is going to give us 16, right? So let's make a 10 to get to that 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's make a 10. How many do we have to add to this 7 to make a 10? 1, 2, 3. Now I've got this number. I've got the 10. How many more ones do I need? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many x's are on my board? Well, wait a minute. Did I miss something? Yeah, let's check and make sure that I have 16. A full 10 plus 6, 16. We're good. Now, how many x's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 x's. And tell me, I hope that when you looked at this, you did it way better because you know that 6, we're starting with our greater number, plus 3 is 9. Let's make sure that we're doing that correctly, Mrs. McLean. All right, 16 minus 7 equals 9. Well, let's check. We have a related fact, 7 plus 9. Is 7 plus 9 16, friends? Sure is. Let's try one more, and then we'll practice on our own. Let's see if we can figure out 14. 14 minus 3. Ooh, now we're being tricky, aren't we? We're starting with 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I need to figure out to get to 14. How many more do I need at least to get to 10? Oh, hey, we worked on those. 3 plus 8 equals 11. Make a 10 by adding 7. Okay, so let's add 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my 7. Do I have 14? Not yet, so let's get 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, do I have 14? Yes, I do. I've subtracted my 3. Here's my 3. How many x's did I add? Well, here I had 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I added 11 x's, which means 14 minus 3 equals 11. Let's check. 3 plus 11 equals 14. That's correct. So I want you to practice this, making a 10. You can get your whiteboard with your 10 frame, making a 10 each time because it's developing our understanding of how to make a 10, how that works for subtraction.